welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program, back in the kitchen one more time. Today we want to show you, I make a raspberry cake, and I said to myself, I want to shake it up with some ice cream to make a raspberry ice cream dessert for you, the fans. Guys, hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. You know we always give you your favorite dishes, your favorite recipe. I made a raspberry cake, and I said to myself, I need to do something with it. And when I make it, I said to myself, one thing come to myself is to share it with some ice cream. So guys, enjoy the recipe, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching the cooking program. See you next time. And as I said before, guys, welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program. You know, earlier today I made a cake. This is a cake right here. It is a sponge cake. I make a cake earlier today, and I said to myself, I want to show the fans how they can make yourself a nice lovely dessert from this raspberry cake. Basically the cake is such a nice cake. I'm just gonna if I use my knife and just cut it into, roughly said, 4. Let's cut it into 4 so you guys can see exactly what's going on at the moment. It's a raspberry cake with some cream inside of it. Really nice and beautiful, and I know you guys will love the recipe. It's just a simple recipe. I made the cake earlier, and I said to myself, you know what, I need to share this with the fans that you guys can do this at home. So basically what we want to do, I know that you might saw Chef Ricardo using a lot of strawberry at the last couple of days, making different stuff with strawberry and cake, but it's for you where you can do this at home. It's coming up to Christmas, more holiday coming up and all these things, so we have to show you what you can do at home. So right now what we're going to simply do is basically put a little bit of the strawberry syrup on my plate, just like this. Alright, that's one of the first things you need to do when you're doing such a nice lovely decoration like this, guys. I'm telling you, you will love this one. And then simply what you can do, you can simply use a spoon and simply do a thing like this. It's so easy, guys, honestly, very very easy. And this right here, as I said before, I have the raspberry cake right here, and I'm gonna simply do a little thing like this. I did quite a few videos like this before, but you never see when I make the cake, and you know what I mean, I'm just showing you guys ideas and ways where you can do this at home. Basically simple, get a piece of scoop of ice cream, just like this. Very easy and simple. I'm just using some vanilla ice cream, guys, because the reason why I'm using the vanilla ice cream is to be a little bit more easy to handle and more very easy to work with. So that's the ice cream, and if you get right here my cake, just like this. It's a nice lovely cake. I made the cake and I said to myself, I need to share this with the fans, let the guys know what's going on inside of the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Beautiful. Next thing what I want to simply do with you guys, just to show you simple another techniques, another thing where you can also do. Sorry about that, I got my knife, I got a mess right there. You can do anything you like with it. Seriously, you can do anything you like with this, honestly. It's really nice and beautiful, and I'm saying you can do this at home, honestly, and the family will love it. And I'm telling you guys, this is fantastic. Nice lovely raspberry cake served with ice cream. Beautiful, really nice, and hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm using vanilla ice cream. You can use your favorite ice cream what you do like to work with. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you guys, and hopefully you will love them. See you next time with Chef Ricardo cooking. Bye bye.